In this video we are going to discuss about this reference exercise which we have to convert into 3D. Please make sure you have follow all the dimensions corresponding to this reference diagram. Initially you have to open a new part solid and click the use default templates and select a millimeter Newton second as a unit. Then show the planes and select a plane which you want to sketch and make it for sketch on view. Then draw the concentric circles and specify the corresponding dimensions in the reference diagram. After drawing the concentric circle, we have to draw the line segment to make a closed loop. Then click the use delete segment icon. After making a closed loop structure, we have to extrude it for the required amount of thickness. The thickness is 25 mm. So just click OK and go to the extrude option and give the thickness value as 25 mm and click OK. Then we are going to create a bottom part of this component. So we have to select a bottom face of the extruded part and draw the concentric circles with the reference diameters. Go to the software, select a bottom face of the component, make it for sketch on view and draw the circles. Then give the pitch value of the circle with corresponding reference diagram. Then extrude the bottom part for 25 mm of thickness. Then click OK. Go to the reference diagram. Here we are going to creating a variable cross section in terms of diameter. So we have going to use a bend option. Before that we have to make a rectangular cut in the bottom part. So draw the rectangular profile and specify the dimensions as per the drawing and make a remove material here. And click OK. Make the diameter as reference and go to the bottom face and select a blend option, make it for sketch on view, and draw the two circular cross sections with corresponding to offset distance provided in the diagram. I just specify the offset distance here, and then I am draw the second cross section after specifying the offset distance and specify the diameters of the both circles as per the drawing. Now the bottom part is completely created. We have to just make a circular cut at the bottom part. So just select a bottom face and draw the circular profile and specify the diameter. Then click OK. Go to the extrude and remove the material here by using the flip direction. And click OK. Now we create this part successfully as per the drawing. Hide all the planes for good visualization. You can cross-section our component by using a variable views like the reference drawing. We have to edit the rectangle cross-section profile, which we make a cut in the bottom because there is some error in this dimension in the diagram. So just in the dimension is 50 mm. Then click OK. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video.